Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture on artificial intelligence in automated decision support systems. In this lecture, we are going to explore what is AI and applications of AI in various fields. We will also discuss two types of AI, narrow AI and strong AI. And then we will also discuss the role of artificial intelligence in automated decision support system with some examples. Discuss the definition of AI. Artificial intelligence refers to the way of mimicking the human behavior while designing and developing an AI-based system for a particular purpose. And when we develop a AI-based system, we try to make the system or the machine to think and learn, analyze, and perform tasks like a human being. And this field AI involves various technologies while designing and developing a system, computer-based system. For example, machine learning can be used, or deep learning can be used while building a AI-based system. Natural language processing is another technology which deals with textual data, dealing with languages, language translation, or converting language text to speech, or speech to text, or other types of translations, or extracting useful information from the text. And another field is computer vision, extracting useful insights from images, videos, and other data. Robotics is another technology to build a machine or a robot that behaves like a human being, that think and behaves like human being. So these are the technologies involved in AI development, AI based system development. And this also enables the AI system to perceive input from the environment. For example, if you are creating a smart system for a particular environment, so the system should be able to receive the percepts from the environment and analyze the percept, and you should be able to support the decision making. And in speech recognition also, this can be used to understand the speech and predict who said the speech. And for decision making, this can help in an organization for analyzing the data and deriving useful insights. And in language translation, also converting Tamil to English or English to Tamil or Hindi to English, like that, for converting languages, translating languages also. We can use AI-based system. So these systems are usually designed to solve problems and support decision making, and we try to build a ability of the human being, like how human adapts to different situations. The same way we try to import that human intelligence in the machine. So the ultimate goal of this AI system is to enhance efficiency, productivity, and innovation across various industries, domain, and various applications. Discuss various applications of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence systems can be designed as a virtual assistant to support the decision maker, or to support the normal human in an environment. For example, can be Siri systems example, and is one of the example, and Google Assistant, and Alexa, Amazon Alexa, that uses natural language processing to understand and respond to voice commands. So specifically, especially challenged people, they require some assistance when they are alone, and this kind of systems can help them to take the medicines, or to move from one place to another place. So it can be like virtual assistant. And recommender systems also uses AI. For example, Amazon, Google, and Facebook, they use Amazon to for example, Amazon uses a recommender system to recommend products to the users, and also recommend movies, shows to the users. So for that, the system analyzes the user data and their um, reviews and products details, other things, and then according to their preferences, the system will try to recommend products or what they want. In image recognition and speech recognition also, AI is used mainly for recognizing the face of a human being. So this can be for attendance system to recognize the face of individuals and then uh, allow them to uh, log in. And also in security systems, we will use image recognition and using AI, and speech recognition using AI, maybe voice based attendance or voice-based communication system, which performs some kind of translations from speech to text or text to speech. So these systems also use AI. And for designing automated car, for example, Google designed a self-driving car and that uses AI. And the system is designed to perceive input from the environment and analyze the data to generate necessary guidance to the systems, and it helps the system to automatically make decisions and navigate safely. And another interesting application of AI is in the field of medical diagnostics, where doctor needs assistance for making better decision as to what the disease is and what is the condition of the disease and what treatment would be suitable to the disease. Like that, they can get the help from the AI systems. So these systems analyze medical images, X-rays or MR images, and generates useful insights. And natural language processing also, AI plays a very important role, where AI systems are able to translate the language from Tamil to English or English to Tamil and Hindi to English or English to Urdu and other form of translations. And also it is useful to help in the sentiment analysis task, where tweets or user comments and reviews are analyzed to understand the pattern of uh, communication or the pattern of usage in the website, and user behaviors can be detected, and understanding their requirement, understanding their emotions, the system can improve their uh, interaction with the systems and online conversation. And in summation of text also, this is quite useful. This generates summary from huge amounts of text, which will be quite useful for reading and understanding the text. For example, news generation or news analysis task. So AI plays a very important role. And in gaming, usually AI helps the designer and developer to design a game that automatically understands scenarios and plays game like a player. For example, chess game, Go, and video games are very popular that mimics human capabilities. And in robotics also, AI plays a crucial role, where we build a robot that performs complex tasks for manufacturing uh, machines or manufacturing cars or logistics and logistic and other operations. Even in home, we can assist the elders or child for performing their daily tasks. And in many smart systems, AI plays a crucial role. AI built with the system can uh, helps us to perform the task and optimize the energy consumption and home appliance monitoring or energy equipment monitoring. So this can optimize the energy consumption. There are two types of AI. We have narrow AI or big AI, and then another type is general AI. We also call this as strong AI. Narrow AI systems are designed to perform a specific task for a particular purpose, and these systems are not having general intelligence like human being human. And for example, these systems can be designed as a speech recognition system or image recognition system, a recommender system for recommending products to the customer or recommending friends to the user. General AI systems are usually designed to mimic human capabilities, where the system should possess learning abilities, perception, learning, understanding, reasoning about the situation, problem solving, and understanding natural language. So all these capabilities can be built in AI-based strong AI systems, but these are under research still. It is theoretical, and uh, these systems are generally does not exist because still under research, and there are theoretical discussions and experimental analysis for this type of AI systems. Now we will discuss the role of AI in decision support systems. The AI plays a crucial role in analyzing the data and processing huge amounts of data quickly and more efficiently. It can process structured data, for example, relational database tables. If you are having data in the form of tables, or if you are having data in the text documents like non-structured form, unstructured data like email content or textual documents uh, and videos. So these can extract relevant information from structured data, unstructured data, and identify interesting patterns present in the data. Whereas traditional approaches are not that efficient, and also there are challenges in extracting information from unstructured data and complex data. And coming to the pattern recognition, the role of AI in pattern recognition is to uh, identify trends, correlations, or anomalies to support the decision makers. So these systems usually built with AI, which involves machine learning or deep learning for recognizing patterns in the data. For example, AI-powered decision support systems can predict the trend for crop cultivation or for marketing. The next role of decision support system, AI in decision support system is yeah, predictive analytics. So AI plays a crucial role in predictive analytics to predict the future trends or future outcomes. For example, to predict what the customer wants, or what the conditions will be after pandemic, or what will be the disease conditions. So user can understand the situations and act accordingly. They can take necessary remedial actions. So this kind of predictive analysis system analyzes a huge amount of data and predict trends, patterns, and finds interesting patterns to support the decision maker. And then personalized recommendation also to support the doctors and other physicians. And these systems are quite useful. This generates necessary insights, useful insights for supporting the decision maker. AI also plays a crucial role in real-time decision support systems, where we take real-time data from the environment. For example, sensor data, or may use data generated through the social media, and the system analyzes streaming data and or incoming data to uh, find useful insights and alerts the users, or For example, to find out whether the contents generated on the web is uh, valid content or not, the system can analyze the data and alert the user if there is malicious content in it. And the system plays a crucial role in dynamic environments where changes are usually unexpected and occurs sometimes, rarely, occasionally, and the system quickly predicts and alerts the users. And also in risk assessment and management, the system, AI-based system, supports the decision makers that understands various factors that affects the decision. For example, in agriculture monitoring systems, the system can minimize the risk by advising the farmers when they have to use fertilizers or when they should avoid using pesticides. So they should, that kind of advice help the decision makers as well as the farmers to reduce the risk and improve the productivity. Also, it provides safe environment for disabled peoples. And the AI also plays a crucial role in handling the managerial task and evaluating their impact and recommending mitigation strategies. And these are the roles of AI in decision support system. So in this lecture, we have discussed the definition of AI, applications of AI, types of AI, and role of AI in decision support systems. Thank you all.